That's my hiking gear. Good morning, guys. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about equilibrium. I'm going to be explaining equilibrium to you step by step and how to spot it, how to mark it out, and how to take better trades from equilibrium. I've also created a free school community where we get together as traders. We do live calls. I teach. I have courses free. Everything is free on the school community. And I hope to see you there. I really do. Have an amazing day and enjoy the video. I'm gonna explain to you in this video equilibrium so you get a better sense of the balance in the market. Balance in the market meaning that there's a premium and there's a discount. So equilibrium is explaining the balance in the market. Like every time, if you think about it in a scale, like there's a scale right here, right? There's a premium and there's a discount. So there are sellers and there are buyers. Or there are buyers and there are sellers, premium, discount. And the market wants to have an equilibrium so it becomes at a 50-50% from both parts. You don't want to have too much premium because it don't balance out the market. So I'm going to show you some example here about what equilibrium is. This is not to be used just by itself. You have to use it with other confluences, but it's a good indicator of where the market is going or where to take a trade or where you can wait. So let me give you an example. There's a low right here and there's a high right here, right? So what do we do? Let me show you how equilibrium works. Where was it? Did I lose it? You know what? Let me give you another example. There's an equilibrium in the market, okay? Where did it go? 28th of January, okay. There you go. Okay, there's an equilibrium in the market. So I marked out the low and the high of the 50-minute candle. So what does the market want to do? Okay, what does the market wants to do? So there's a premium right here, and there's a discount right here. So the market wants to take shorts from this area going down to the discount. And the market wants to take longs from this area going up to the premium. This wasn't a good example, but you know what I mean. If you go to the higher time frame, there's a, let me just show on today's. So there's a, see, there's a equilibrium in the middle. This blue mark is the equilibrium of the market. What does the market want to do? The market don't want to stay too much in the premium and they don't want to stay too much in the discount. So the market wants to take out liquidity on the premium. It wants to take out liquidity on the premium. There's liquidity from this side that has been taken out. I'm sure of it. Yeah, see, maybe this. Yeah, see, the market took out this area right here, and what did it do? It gave us a break of structure, and it gave us a fair value gap, and we enter off of it. It gave us a reaction of the fair value gap, and what do? We enter off of it, and we put our stop loss right here, and we put our take profits in the discount section. So I usually don't do that huge of a take profits. So I usually go back and I do them at the first take profit, maybe at the fair value gap. This is what I would have done in this situation. I'll put the take profit either on this fair value gap or on the 50% mark of the what? Of the equilibrium. So I take my first take profit from the equilibrium of the move, and then The second one, I usually take it on these highs because they reverse a lot from these highs. From here. Let me show you another example. Let me find another example. It's been bad with examples for equilibrium today. I apologize, but you get the point, you get the gist of it. All right, so there's a high and there's a low being created. What happens on the high and the low? If you go here, so it's easier for me, I'm gonna do a bar replay. You're gonna see that there's a high and there's a low. Look what happens. Look what happens. This is a perfect explanation of equilibrium. The high, the low has been created in the discount. So what does the market want to do? The market wants to break structure to the upside, shift market structure, and continue up. Take the trade right here, and you continue up to the premium section. So you take profit on these highs. All right. And when we enter this area of premium, what does the market want to do? Again, it does a break of structure to the downside. All right. It enters a fair value gap, and then we enter off of it. Where do we enter off of it? We enter off of it to the discount. All right. Perfect example. You see, from the discount part to the premium part to the discount part, it usually goes like this. And when it taps out of it, the equilibrium is no longer valid. That's a good explanation of the equilibrium. I hope you learned something. If you have any questions, or you can bring with you what you learned in the comment section below. And if you're all the way into this video, if you write something in the comment section below, it will more likely stick in your mind because you're able to explain it more. Great. Have a good week, have a good trading week, and an amazing day. Take care.